guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How you guys doing? So I was just about to oil my hair and then I thought, why don't I make a video and you'll see me oiling my hair and I'll give you a few tips on how to oil your hair. So let's start. So a lot of us do hate oiling our hair. I know it's a task and ekdam oiliness lagna, jumpy karna, it can get boring. But it's really important to oil your hair if you want good and healthy hair. So firstly, oil your hair twice a week. It's really good if you have time. If you don't have time, okay, once a week is fine. And make sure that you take a nice oil. You can either use almond oil or coconut oil. I use coconut oil for my hair. It works for me. So now I'm going to show you how to oil your hair. So first thing is, make sure that your hair is not wet, okay? It needs to be dry. So yeah, just take your hair, brush your hair first, like really well, and then you take your oil. So here I have my coconut oil, and what I've done is I just warmed it a little. So make sure it's a little warm, and you can use, as I told you, almond oil or coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil here. So just take a little bit of oil, make sure it's warm. It'll give you like a nice jumpy if it's warm. So start applying your oil. So one very important tip is, oil is for your scalp. So it's not for literally like your pura hair or not. So make sure that you put oil onto your scalp very well and then you massage it. So guys, this part is very important. You must have seen your dadi, nani, your mom putting oil यहाँ पे बहुत important होता है. जो ऐसे लगा लो and just rub it. It feels so good. Okay. And make sure that you apply oil here also on the back side of your hair. अच्छे से apply it all over and massage it really well for like 10 to 15 minutes if you have time. Guys, once you've done with the massage, just take a little bit whatever extra oil you have, just rub it here, ends पे, because your hair, like the ends get really dry. That's it. And just tie it into a nice bun, or you can also do like a choti. And very important tip is, please don't brush your hair after you've applied oil. It'll just break your hair, so don't do that. Bun mein I say just put it into a bun and leave it for 2 hours. If you have the time, if you can leave it like overnight and wash it next day morning, nothing like it, that'll be great. So do that. And now what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna take a towel, or you can take a nice cotton t-shirt, dip it into like hot water, squeeze out the excess water and just put it, wrap it around your head for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna go with that. I'll just get my t-shirt. So here's t-shirt. I may look funny. So I'm just gonna do this, wrap it around and just keep it like that for 10 to 15 minutes and just relax. So that's it guys. I left it for like 10 to 15 minutes and I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna wash my hair in the morning. So do that. At least keep the oil for about 2 hours, not less than that. And make sure your hair is clean and dry when you're applying oil. And very important, don't keep your oil for more than a day. It's not good for your hair. So 1 day max. And use a nice mild shampoo and a conditioner when you wash your hair. And do follow these tips and let me know if it was helpful and if you follow these, and comment and let me know. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official. If there's anything guys, do let me know in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you like this video. Okay, bye. Thank you.